part, please take it clearly. To clear our doubts, we are saying do 100% counting of VVPAT. What is your problem in that?
So the TRS and other parties are saying Congress is being a sore loser here, but are not agreeing that they were defeated here.
Yeah, obviously because they tampered the EVM machines, they'll say that. But I'm asking you, and through you the whole country, what is the problem in counting the paper trails? We are ready for any delay. Everybody is ready. Why are you resisting counting paper trails? And the more ridiculous part is...
National party, you have gone for election in 5 states.
You accept that mandate,
Like Congress
but
is
you're not
leading in
accepting
3
Telangana
states.
mandate?
Why
Listen.
is that the party not speaking the same?
Listen, I don't know. I don't know how it was done there. I can only say somebody who has overseen the election process, the polling and the counting here. I'm saying I'm making a direct allegation. Why aren't they saying they'll count? I'll tell you 2-3 things. Like I said, in Dharmapuri constituency, SC candidate, Dalit candidate, he lost by 440 votes, approximately 2 lakh voting. We said the candidate begged and pleaded, please count the paper trails. They didn't. They counted the machines again and redeclared the results. Many booth numbers which have said there is a mismatch. In another case in Gadwal, Mrs. D.K. Aruna said, okay, they are saying we'll match only one EVM machine to the paper trails. It's okay, you do it in so-and-so village. They're saying no, we won't do it there. We will do wherever we feel like. Even the random thing, they're doing where they feel like. I'm making this very serious allegation. I am convinced 100% that the electronic voting machines in Telangana have been rigged or manipulated or tampered with to clear our doubts.
We have like a very convenient argument that every time there's a loss, it always is the...
Well, it may look convenient or inconvenient to you, but we are somebody who have done the whole election process. Okay, and we are very, very sure about it. But you tell me an answer. Why don't they want to count the VVPAT paper trails?
So is the party high-command on the same page? Is the party high-command on the same page as the state unit?
See, I'm the state unit president. I've stated my stand. Okay, I haven't spoken to anyone in Delhi.
Not yet.
So you are not accepting the people's mandate in Telangana, that is what it means.
We are simply telling you, madam, don't put words into my mouth. I'm simply saying the electronic voting machines in Telangana were manipulated. If we are wrong, what I'm saying is wrong, let them count the paper trails. What is the problem in that? क्या साहब बोलिए?
तो उत्तम कुमार रेड्डी जो तेलंगाना